Hi, I'm Oscar van Deventer, and this is the Rock-Paper-Scissors-Lizard-Spock Scale. So this work was commissioned by Claire Postlethwaite. She's a professor in non-transitive or intransitive competition, and she asked me, could I implement a mechanism that performs like rock, paper, scissors, lizard, Spock. Well, you probably know rock, paper, scissors, lizard, Spock, which is an extension of the regular rock, paper, scissors game. It was invented by Sam Cass and made popular through 2 episodes of The Big Bang Theory. Well, this mechanical implementation, it uses levers, and it has the property that whatever scale you use, that there is always 2 scales that are going higher and 2 that are going lower. So if I put 2 weights, for instance, I put this weight here, then this weight wins because it will push it more down. But from this one, orange wins, and now blue wins, and now yellow wins, and from yellow we go back to red again. So as you can see, the non-transitivity property is implemented in a very straightforward way with levers. And it's a fun mechanism. Of course, I don't know what's the purpose of this thing other than demonstration purposes of rock, paper, scissors, lizard, Spock. So my question to you is, well, what other implementations of mechanical implementations of rock, paper, scissors, lizard, Spock can we make? And also, how can we turn this into a real game? Thank you for watching.